Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss about melting point of solid substance. Okay, and in next time we will discuss about boiling point of a liquid. Okay, melting point of a solid substance and boiling point of a liquid. Okay, so here is your new topic to determine the melting point of a given solid substance. Okay, how to determine your melting point of a given solid substance? So here is your requirement. Requirement 250 ml glass beaker. Okay, then one thermometer, then thin capillary tube. Okay, then iron stand, then asbestos mesh, and lastly tripod stand. So it is your requirement to determine melting point of a solid substance. Okay. Now what is the procedure? Okay. We will perform here, but here is a procedure. So first step is powder the crystalline solid substance. Okay. Powder the crystalline solid substance. Your first step. Okay. Second one, take a capillary tube. Now here is your capillary tube. You can see here. Okay, 8 to 10 centimeter long and 1 to 2 mm diameter capillary tube. So here is your capillary tube. We will use here capillary tube. Okay. Now look. So take a capillary tube and seal it one end by heating. Okay. Capillaries both the end are open, so you have to seal it one end by heating. Your first step. Okay. Then for filling the substance, okay, for filling the substance, make heap of powder on the porous plate. Okay, you have to take a porous plate and make a heap of powder. Okay, now next step. Push the open end of the capillary into heat. Okay, push the open end, okay, of the capillary into heat. Next step, some substance will enter into capillary. Okay, some substance will entering into capillary. Then tap the seal end of the capillary on the porous plate. Okay, tap the seal capillary. Okay, on the porous plate. Okay. Now next step, attach the capillary. Attach the capillary tube to a thermometer. Next step. Okay, attach the capillary tube to a thermometer. Then put the thermometer into tap water with 250 ml beaker. Okay. So then put the thermometer into tap water with 250 ml beaker. Okay, with tap water. Clear? Now last, heat the beaker slowly. Heat the beaker slowly. Okay, and then note down the temperature. Note down the temperature when substance is completely melted. Okay, note down the temperature when the substance is completely melted. So here is your procedure of melting point to determine the melting point of a given solid substance. Okay, here is your procedure. Now listen. Here is your figure. Clear? Here is your stand. Okay. Then here is your tripod stand. Tripod stand. Here is your asbestos mesh. Clear? Your 250 ml beaker with tap water. Okay. Now here is your burner. Clear? So here is your figure. Here thermometer with capillary. Okay. With substance. Solid substance is here in a capillary. Okay. And here is your thermometer. So here is your totally figure. Clear? Now listen. You have to take a precaution for practical. So precaution is here. Use dry powder sample. Okay, dry powder sample. Use dry powder sample. Okay. Second precaution is keep capillary and thermometer. Keep capillary and thermometer at the same level. Okay. So I will see you. Next, don't use rubber band. Okay. Don't use rubber band for attaching the capillary and thermometer. Don't use rubber band. So here is your precaution. Okay. Now we will perform practical. Thank you. Now look here everyone. Here is your capillary. Clear? Now both the ends are open. Here and here. Clear? Now first of all, I will close capillaries one end by heating. So heat your capillary. Okay. So capillaries one end is closed. Okay. So here is little band capillary. Clear? Okay. Now I will fill up solid substance. Okay. So here is a meta-dinitrobenzene powder. Yellowish powder, meta-dinitrobenzene. Okay. Powder form. Now I will take powder into capillary. So look here. Here is a heap of meta-dinitrobenzene. Clear? Now push capillary into heap. So some substance will enter into capillary. Look here. So I will tap here. Okay. Yes. Now look here. Substance is here into capillary. Meta-dinitrobenzene powder is here. Clear? First, close your capillaries one end by heating. Clear? Then push your capillary open end into heat. Then tap your capillary. So your substance will come here into capillary. Okay. Substance is here. Capillary. Clear? Substance is here into your capillary. Okay. Now look here. Here is your thermometer and here is your capillary with your substance. You can easily see your substance. Okay. So here is your figure. Stand, tripod stand, asbestos maze. Here is your beaker. Here is your capillary and thermometer. Okay. Now by heating, when your solid substance, okay, will start melting. Yes, look here. Here is your substance. So now procedure is on. Okay. When your substance start melt, okay, meta-dinitrobenzene, then you have to immediately note your temperature. Okay, from here is your thermometer, here is your red line. You can see here red line. Okay. So when your substance will melt, immediately note down your temperature. This temperature is your melting point. Okay. So here is your procedure of melting point. Now listen here. Here is your 90 degree and now temperature is 86 something here, 86 or 87. So look, here is your your substance will start melt. Okay, now here is your 89, look here, 88, 89, and your substance is melted now at a 89 to 90 degrees temperature. 89, your substance will melt here, look, yes, and I think your substance is melted now. Okay, at 89 or 90 degrees, metadinitrobenzene chemical, okay, solid substance, melting point is 90, 89.6, it means almost 90 degree. So here is your substance is melt. Okay, so this is your procedure to determine the melting point of the given solid substance. Here is your 90 degree, okay, and your substance has melted. Okay, at 90 degree your substance has melted. Clear?